Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and my name is Victoria. Welcome to Pembroke Beauty, and if you are returning, hello, I've missed you. Today I did this really easy, grungy, like fall look. Here we go. I first started off with the Yes to Carrots Nourishing Moisturizer, and this is cruelty free and it is really good. I used to use this a lot. It smells like carrots when you walk outside and then it fades away, so just a warning, but it's very moisturizing and it's very hydrating and it feels really nice on the skin, and it's made with a lot of natural products, which I really like. So I just place that all over my face as my primer and my moisturizer. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Light Ivory Concealer, and if you have been following my channel for a while, you would know that I really like this concealer, and now that I am becoming paler because I have been outside less, I cannot use my e.l.f. concealer as much, so I am using this. As you guys know, I don't wear foundation, so this is a really good option if you are also someone who doesn't really feel like using foundation or just doesn't really like it either. This is a good option for you. It's just a little bit of coverage on places that you might have insecurities or darkness or redness, and it just makes you feel a little bit better about yourself, and you don't have to try very hard. So now I'm setting my face with the Starfire Loose Powder, and I absolutely love this. I did an entire Starfire video. If you look at the little eye up in the corner, you will see, and you can watch. But I absolutely love this powder. It's so smoothing and blurring on the skin. It looks really nice. I absolutely love the texture. It's very light, airy, and it's just really nice for every day. Then I went in and bronzed up my face with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Ticket to Brazil bronzer, and this actually has SPF 15. I don't really know why I just shared that with you, but I felt like I should. So it smells really good on a side note, and I really like this. As you can see, the pan is like gigantic, and I think it's like $3. Then I went in with this Note Cosmetics Desert Rose, like silk blusher, I think is what it's called. This is really nice, and it's a really good warm terracotta orange shade. I really like this color, and I actually got it in a BoxyCharm, so if you're interested in watching one of my BoxyCharm videos, you can. You can see it in the eye, but I just blushed up my face with a Tarte Mermaid brush, and now I'm going in and cleaning up that contour slash bronze that we did with some of the Starfire Loose setting powder. Also, if you guys want a coupon code for Starfire, I do not get any proceeds of it, but if you want to save 20% on a purchase from them, feel free to use my code and you guys can save money, so woohoo! Then I'm going in with the Double Down ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter, and I absolutely love this. I've been obsessed with this all summer long. It came with the Sol and Mar collection, and I freaking love this. It is so beautiful for every day. It's glowy but not too glowy. It's not super glittery. It just goes on and you just feel like you're like glowing from within, and it's so beautiful. So absolutely totally recommend. Then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Brow Mascara in the shade Chocolate, as per usual. And I'm just brushing this through my brows, giving myself kind of a feathered, natural-ish brow look. So now I'm going in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, which is their warm palette from the Vault collection. So I first went in with the shade called Rush, and this is like a orangey brown kind of. It's very warm, and I just pulled this through the crease with a big fluffy Morphe Beautiful and Bronze brush. And because this look is grungy and it's like very fall and stuff, I figured this would be a good shade. And it really doesn't have to be neat because it is like grungy, and that's kind of the point. So I just made this really seamless out on the outer edges and really kind of blew this out almost all the way up to my brow bone, which you totally don't have to take it that far, but I ended up doing that. So then I'm taking this underneath of my eye and really connecting it and kind of rounding it out around the entire eye and connecting it to the top. So I lost some footage here and I was really angry with myself. So now I'm going in with the Lottie London Flat Precisely Perfect brush, and I'm going in with the shade called Secret. And it is a very warm, like coffee brown. And then I'm going in with the Morphe pencil brush after I've placed this all over my lid and really blending out the crease and making it really seamless. So then I went in with the 3 shades called Rush, Mugshot, and Alert. And I took this on the big fluffy Morphe Beautiful in Bronze brush that we had been using and really pulled this along the edges and made everything seamless. Then I took more of Secret on the pencil brush and pulled that along our lower lash line and took those 3 shades once again on the big fluffy brush and made it all seamless again. Then I went in and did my waterline with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Mr. Bing, and this was a collaboration with my beloved Kathleen Lights. You guys know I love her. Then I went in with the Double Down ColourPop highlighter again and highlighted my inner corners and my brow bone. Then I went and curled my lashes, and if you guys want to wear false lashes with this, you totally can. I also decided that I wanted to do a little bit more highlighter because it just felt like I needed it, so I went in with this Tarte Foiled Finger Paints palette, which if you guys ever saw my first video, I featured this in it, and I took the light gold shade. Then I set my face with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant spray, which I really like, but it's a little oily. Then I went in with the Starfire Radiant Glide On lip pencil, and this is like the more brownie nude one, and I filled in and lined my lips with this. Then I'm going in with one of my all-time favorite fall matte dark lipsticks. I freaking love this. This is from ColourPop, and they actually discontinued it for a while because it was a collab, and then they brought that collab back. So I'm like, I need to buy another one because I'm almost out, and I have been using this and babying it so that I wouldn't run out. But this is in the shade Ruche, and it is their Ultra Matte Lip, and I freaking love this. It is so cool. It kind of almost, I don't even know how to describe it because it's not metallic at all, but it almost has a sheen to it that has like a golden shimmer, and I freaking love it. I don't know what it is about it. But then I went in with the Starfire Cosmetics mascara, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment any suggestions you have for me down below. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you totally can. And hit the little bell so you get notifications every single time that I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!